Hey, what's up, guys? Ben, your agent, with another weekly update, this time in Riverside County. So, like the one in Orange County, I'm going to show you guys on the screen here for Riverside County, single family home, all attached, detached, and then all bedrooms. So, I'm going to show you how the market is right now. As far as the new listing goes, there's three main things we look at: new listings, the how much the sales price is, and days on market. So as far as new listing, it's 3,621. As we can see here on the map, it is going up since this beginning of the year, January 2022, and there's a definitely slight increase from May, and just went down just a little bit, so negative 1.1%. Next thing we're going to look at is pending active sales. Let's just do it real quick. Active listings. So there is about 5,566 active listings, meaning they're on the market for sale right now. And then pending sales, there's 1,934. Now we're going to see the average sales price in Riverside County, which is 731,910. So 731,910. That's an increase of 11.9%. And people are wondering, is it going to crash? Is it going to crash? As you can see in the data here, that is not going to crash. It's actually gone up. So in January, it was 698 and 70, right? And then February 722,838. March, April went up, and then May 761,000 is the highest for this year, and then it just went down a little bit last month. So home prices are not going to go down like crazy as everyone's saying. And the last one I want to mention is days on market. So in Riverside County right now, the average days on market is 20 days. That's something you guys got to see, that it's balancing out. Before, days on market was only like 7, 8 days on the market. That's how fast a house stays on the market to sell. And here is 20 days. So as we can see, since January, it was 28 days. And then it went down. February, March, went 22 days. April, 21 days. May, 19 days. And lastly, just went up one more day last month. So it's a great time to buy or sell your house. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. All my information is in this email, and I look forward to connecting with you soon. Take care.